Welcome to the jandjautowrecking test video, stock number 9481, a 2005 Cadillac Escalade ESV that unfortunately has one of the loudest idler pulleys I've ever heard. LQ9 under the hood, actually it might be the water pump. Regardless, LQ9 under the hood running fine, despite that, which is what made somebody trade this bad Mamma Jamma in. White diamond pearl exterior, got some rust on it, but she is a platinum. Luigi, get out of here. Come on, guy. Try to make a video. Oh, rear access open. 139,000 miles. What an absolute unit. Got a climate control that's working well. Looks like the power off, maybe burned out. Ventilated seats. Man, all the goodies. Look at that. Oh man. Throw the windows down so I don't get locked out. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can get those power folds working. Test some stuff on this girl. Power folding mirrors doing their job. See if they both work. Bam. Transmission. No backup camera. That stinks. Drive right away. Like I said, guys, a lot of good parts on this unit, making good oil pressure. Going to be a very healthy LQ9 swap, a low mileage 6.0L LQ9. A lot of good stuff on this unit. If you're looking for parts, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at jandjautowrecking. Save the GMT 900s. They're freaking nice. Thanks for watching.